All right. I like how you read your sentences with emotion. Like you can
Okay.
do that already. That is something that I teach in third pronunciation session. So usually I help my students reading words one at a time. So we focus on the top 100 most used English words and like I get them to count. And then the next part would be reading whole sentences. And then the final part would be adding emotions. And I can see that you're already good at saying things with emotion and proper intonation. So that's good to hear.
I am aware of how to pronounce words, but sometimes I really forgot.
Yeah,
Because I don't,
you miss a few words every now and then.
yeah, because I don't use English every day, so I am not used to speaking English. That's why sometimes I forgot. And my province is Masbate, so our pronunciation here is sometimes it's kind of
Different.
yeah,
Okay.
matigas.
Yeah, sure. What are the words that I highlighted? Wait, let me go back. You mentioned advantages, so it should sound.
Advantages.
Yeah, it's advantages.
Advantages.
Yeah, there you go. So what usually happens, especially for long words like these, I'm just gonna copy this word real quick. It's going to sound more like this. So, oh yeah, sorry, we're not on the same page. So it's gonna sound like ADVAN, and then it's TGS, advantages. So usually you'll only have of the vowel at the beginning part of the sentence. I mean of the word.
What do you mean?
Okay,
How do
so
I pronounce?
can you scroll up to um, page like the part where you read advantages of being a pet owner. That's where I put the word. Go back up to page 16.
Activity,
Yeah, just a few pages up. Pet owner.
pet owner. There. Advantages of being a pet owner.
Yeah, just below the word advantages, I put in
Okay,
the word,
okay.
like do you see it? So
Yes, yes.
so it's advantages.
Advan advantages.
Yeah.
Advantages.
So it's like I removed the A and the E. Advantages. So it's the vowels at the end of the word are shortened.
Okay, okay.
So that's how it works.
Advantages. Advantages.
So it's the same thing with the word advantage.
Okay, okay.
It's advantage,
Okay.
right?
This is new to me. First time I
Yeah,
heard
it's,
about
this part is going to take some getting used to. So I'm gonna give you another example. So here, so you see I copy the word hazard.
hazard.
You said it properly, but like look at how it's pronounced. It's pronounced more like hazard than hazard,
Okay.
right? Think about it this way: if you are encountering a long English word, the vowels at the end of a long word usually sound like they're not there anymore.
Okay.
Like this, opportunity. So it's opper, tune, and then it's gone. Nitty.
Opportunity.
Opportunity, right?
Okay.
So yeah, it's not exact. It's not clear cut on all the words, but you can expect that in a lot of words,
Yes.
like playing. It's playing, not playing, right?
Okay.
So you just think about it that way. Like the end of a long word should be shortened. And that's kind of how a lot of Americans speak. They speak in a way that shortens the entire sentence.
Yes.
Do you notice that with how a lot of the, like, if you're watching movies, you're gonna notice that they don't enunciate the entire word. Think about it this way: as Filipinos, we have two languages. We have the Filipino language. If you live in the province, you have your own dialect, but we generally understand, or we correlate Filipino with Tagalog, and combination of a bunch of different dialects. And then we have English. But when we speak English, a lot of the words that we say are enunciated. So the Taglish pronunciation of English words sound okay if you are still learning how to speak the word. I'm gonna read this last sentence here before the final activity. You can expect me to be responsible and dependable in my chosen position. That's kind of like the Taglish
Yes.
the Taglish pronunciation. You can expect me to be responsible and dependable in my chosen position, right? That's how we read it generally. We read it like that because we're not used to saying these words. But when you get used to saying these words, you will naturally speed up. That's how Americans say it. You can expect me to be more responsible and dependable in my chosen position. It's kind of a mouthful, but yeah, that's how it is. All of these are. So I forgot this. Are. All of these. There we go. Yeah, I missed that. I missed that earlier, but here we go. All right. So for the next part,